Hello and welcome to SEO Science. In part 3 we covered how to optimize your page. Now let's get into optimize your Google Business Profile. Your Google Business Profile strategy should be a central focus for any small business due to its numerous advantages. It's free, easy to update, and can have a significant impact on your online presence. In the screenshot from a search for San Diego candy shop on Google in January 2022, you can see how crucial it is for your Google Business Profile to provide all essential information on potential customer needs. This includes contact details, driving directions, online ordering options, or any other means to convert directly from the listing. To optimize your Google business listing, the initial step is to claim and verify it. Make sure you complete as many fields as possible and include captivating photos and videos to enhance your listing's appeal. The selection of your business category holds great importance. Ensure that you choose the appropriate categories that accurately represents your business. The primary category that you select will determine which attributes and features are available to you. For those who wish to go beyond the basics, take the time to create questions and answers for your Google Business Profile. In local search results, there is a specific section where users can ask questions and receive answers. As a small business, it is vital to stay on top of these queries. You can even proactively create your own questions and provide answers, which can be helpful to potential customers and increase the likelihood of conversions. That was just step 4 of 11 steps you need to take to improve your SEO game for your small business. Keep your eyes peeled for part 5. If you like what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.